Hello viewers, hope you all are doing very well. So in today's video I will show you how to extract starch from potato. So watch it till end. So first of all we will see that what are the things required to extract potato starch. So here we have peeler, we have grater, we have strainer, we have bowls. 3 potatoes you can take as per your requirement. We have a glass of water and that's it. So how we are going to start this? Let's move on to our next process. So after keeping this solution for 3 hours, you can observe two things over here. One is the water color is changed, and secondly you can observe the sedimented starch which is present at the bottom of this glass. Now what I will do, I will strain this water with the help of strainer and I will show you the clear picture of this sedimented starch. Now one thing more I would like to add over here, that this change in color of water is due to oxidation. So let's move on to our next process. So this is the wet starch. I hope you all are able to see the starch solution. Now if I will keep it to dry, it will turn into starch powder. So this is a sample starch which I have extracted from 3 small size potato. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.